Hi everyone. If you own a registered business or a company, you will have multiple secretarial or legal documents to maintain. In this video, let's see how you can create folders to store the secretarial documents of your company. Firstly, create a main folder under your company's name. I've already created a folder called ABC and Co. Underneath, you can create a folder called Corporate Documents. You just have to right click here, click on New and Folder. Then a new folder would appear. You can give it a preferred name. Secondly, let's create some subfolders under the Corporate Documents folder. I'm going to double click on it. Here, I have created three subfolders. The first one is incorporation documents. So when you incorporate your company or register your company, there will be multiple legal documents. You can save all those documents here. For example, certificate of incorporation or business registration certificate, memorandum of association, article of association, and etc. The second folder is called Licenses and Compliances. You can store all the certificates or documents of other licenses that you obtained for your business. For example, business permits from local council and license from government agencies. Let's open and see what's here. Okay, most of the licenses would require you to do annual renewal. So when you have done your annual renewal, you can save all those certificates or the licenses under appropriate year folders. That's what I have done here. Now let's go back to the main folder. The third subfolder is annual secretarial filings. Usually, there would be mandatory annual filings for companies registered in any countries. Some common annual filings are annual return, audited financial statements, and directors or board resolutions. So under here, you can create year-wise folders to store all those documents or forms. For example, create a subfolder for the year 2025 and save all the filings made for the year 2025 under this folder. I strongly suggest to use a naming convention to easily identify the documents and eliminate confusions in later years. For example, firstly state the name of the form. If it's an annual return, you can state it as annual return. Here is the example. Secondly, you can put the financial year for which the filing was done. In this case, it's 2026. And finally, the date of filing. You can also add other references that would be useful to identify the document. That's all for today. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe for more similar content.